Parents, grade schoolers, people in braces, even college students and athletes. This is your back to school dental checklist to save your teeth and money this school year. I'm Alex, a registered dental hygienist, here to help you keep your smile healthy and bright. Grab a notepad and let's make sure you're ready. Don't forget to check out the timestamps below for the section that fits you best. Let's get into it. First and foremost, here's your essentials kit. Toothbrush, toothpaste, floss picks, go between brushes, whatever you can do to clean between your teeth. Tongue brush, a small size of mouthwash. 2 bonus ones, xylitol candy or gum, water. 7 essentials that everybody could use, no matter what grade you're in. Take some time and build your own dental essentials kit. It'll serve you well. And when school time comes around, you'll be happy you have it. So for our first group of people, parents, congratulations. Your kid is off to school again. You get to live the joys of being a free Uber and DoorDash driver, personal assistant, and so much more. Get your student and put together the essentials kit with them. You know them best and you know what they need more. If you pack your kid's school lunch, want to make sure that you're avoiding the sticky fruit snacks or goldfish and pack healthier things instead. Sure, you can sneak a candy bar or a chocolate in there every once in a while, but don't let that be the overwhelming majority of their lunch. Encourage your student to use the essentials kit. If they don't have time to brush or use all the components of the essentials kit, at least encourage them to use some water after meals or snacks. Even before school starts, if you can, try to get all the dental appointments done and over with. That way you have less to worry about balancing the school and dental schedule. Set up their recare visit for 6 months or during a break. And again, encourage them to use the tools that they have at their disposal. 1st grade to 12th grade. Busy time, I know, trust me, I've been there. First and foremost, the biggest advice that I have for you is listen to your parents. They provided you this essentials kit for your dental needs at school to keep you away from the dentist chair as long as possible. The more time you spend on your teeth, even in school, the less time you have to spend in the dental chair. Brush your teeth every single morning. If you don't have time in the morning right before you get to school, use your essentials kit to brush after your breakfast at school. I've seen thousands of clients in my dental career, and the people that often have the easiest visits are the ones that brush 2 times a day and clean between their teeth at least once a day. If you skip brushing in the morning and you're just going throughout the day with the breakfast food that you've had and then piling lunch on top of that, that's where you run the risk of potentially developing some cavities. Not only that, but also some gum inflammation and gingivitis. I know it's not popular, but I also encourage you to brush your teeth after lunch. Once you're done with lunch, even if you don't have time for a full brushing session, grab one of your floss picks and floss in your classroom. To date, I have not heard of anyone getting in trouble for flossing in class. You may not have time for string floss, but a floss pick can be very helpful. Anytime you're having snacks, or even if you don't have time to brush after lunch, rinse with some water and thoroughly swish to try to get as much food debris as you can off of the teeth. If you stick to brushing in the morning and in the evening, you'll be set. But if you want to go the extra mile, brushing after lunch is a great idea as well. If you don't have time, do not worry. Use some floss picks when you can. Make sure you have some water to swish thoroughly after a meal. You'll be one of the elites hearing those sweet, sweet words from the dentist. No cavities today. College students, whether you're going out of state or staying local, the essentials kit is an excellent way to keep you on top of your oral hygiene routine. You've got a lot of long nights ahead of you, probably filled with coffee and energy drinks for those late night cramming sessions. Trust me, I've been there as well. Make sure you have water anytime you're putting anything acidic or sugary on your teeth. It's gonna help you in the long run. You don't wanna be just taking constant sips of coffee without water breaks, because that's what's gonna really cause some cavities over the long run. Before you head off to college or university, check your schedule. Do you have any unscheduled dental treatment? And is there something that urgently needs to get done? You may want to do that before you're off to college and then down the road getting some toothaches. Schedule your next 6-month cleaning when you know you have time off from school. That way you don't have to cut time out of your studying hours to deal with a dental visit. Far too many times I have clients that I have not seen for 2 to 4 years because of their their grad school and we haven't seen them all that time, and then they come back and there's just a mouthful of cavities or a lot of inflammation that will require deep cleaning to take care of. I know it's a busy time in your life, but if you can, try to stay on top of your routine visits. If you are someone that's had braces before, or you've been told you grind your teeth, make sure you bring your night guard, your retainer, or your sports guard to college. Bring its case with it. That way you don't misplace it or lose it while you're away from home. Don't forget to brush your teeth and your tongue, clean between the teeth, and consider a xylitol mint. Your college crush will appreciate it. Athletes, first and foremost, protect your teeth at all costs. Whether you're lifting, running, or doing a high impact sport, wear a comfortable sports guard to protect your teeth. It'll save you thousands of dollars down the road. As an athlete, you have to stay hydrated. That usually means lots of sport drinks loaded with sweeteners and acids to keep you going. If you don't use water after those, you could be jeopardizing the health of your teeth and increasing your risk for cavities. Two things: protect your teeth from trauma and protect them from sugars and acids by drinking water as much as you can, especially right after sports drinks. If you're good on electrolytes, consider just drinking water instead for your hydration. People in orthodontics, you honestly have it the hardest. Not only do you have to go through school, you have to go through school while you're in braces or Invisalign. That comes with a lisp, the metal brackets tearing the inside of your mouth up, all that on top of school stress. If you have wires and brackets, you already know the foods to avoid. Crunchy things, sticky candies, and gum. That's gonna just break your brackets right off. The Essentials Kit is a must for you. You'll need to carve out extra time for your oral hygiene routine. Go between brushes and orthodontic floss picks are gonna be your best friends. Even if you don't have time right after lunch, that's okay. You can use them in class, totally fine. Don't worry about what those other kids with crooked teeth are saying. I know your pain. I was in braces for 3 of my 4 high school years. I had braces on for my high school photos. I know it's a pain, but trust me, it's worth it in the end if you take good care of your teeth. If you're lucky, you wear braces for 1.5 years or less. However, most people are not that lucky. The average treatment time for braces is about 2 years, and more if you're really unlucky. If you aren't diligent in cleaning your teeth while you have braces or Invisalign, you run the risk of having straight teeth, but having lots of cavities between and on the surfaces of the teeth if you're not diligent about your routine. If you're not consistently brushing or cleaning between the brackets, in the end, you can have straight teeth but have many cavities and what we call white spot demineralization areas, chalky white areas along the areas where the brackets and attachments were. White spot lesions are not an easy fix. If you're still adjusting to your braces, bring some wax with you to school. That way you can cover up those really sharp spots. Water is your best friend. Sometimes you just don't have time to do the whole routine. Have some water and do 2 to 3 swishing sessions really thoroughly to get as much as you can. Consider a xylitol mint after meals to help negate the effects of food getting trapped around your brackets and attachments. If you're in clear aligners, make sure you brush right before you put your aligners back in. I truly hope you found some good value from this video. I looked all over YouTube and I could not find a video like this. So I hope you appreciate the time that went into making it. I truly hope this helps you this school year. Please like this video and share this with a classmate or parent who is also going into the school grind. If you're feeling generous, leave a comment and share your dental struggles. I'll be happy to help. And consider checking out some of my other videos. As always, stay blessed and refreshed, defend what matters daily, and let the healing begin.